Indian Railways successfully concludes assistant loco pilots, that is ALPs, and technicians recruitment unprecedented 47.45 lakh candidates registered for over 64,000 posts of ALPs and technicians. Panel approved for 56,378 candidates, including 26,968 ALPs and 28,410 technicians out of 64,371 vacancies, which includes 27,795 ALPs and 64,371 technicians. Appointment letter issued to 40,420 candidates, which includes 22,223 ALPs and 18,197 technicians. Training of newly recruited 19,120 candidates to resume as soon as COVID lockdown related measures ease out. Rest of offers to be issued in phased manner as training of batches complete. Indian Railways to also speed up the process for conduct of examination for non-technical popular category, which is also known as NTPC, graduate and undergraduate level. A total of 1,26,30,885, that is more than 1.25 crore online applications were received for NTPC posts. A viable strategy is being formulated to conduct massive examination of 1.25 crore applicants observing all norms in COVID-19 scenario. RRBs follow the practice of direct and instantaneous communication with candidates through regular updates on websites and individual SMS and email. Candidates are advised to refer to these official communications only and not be misguided by any other floating rumors on social media. The Ministry of Railways has successfully concluded what can be called as one of the world's largest recruitment exercise for filing up critical safety and operational posts and has reached its completion stage. Railway recruitment boards invited online applications against centralized employment notification for a total of 64,371 combined vacancies of ALPs and technicians. A total of 47,45,176 online applications were received. The scheme of selection consisted of 3 stages: computer-based test followed by medical examination and document verification of shortlisted candidates. About 47.45 lakhs candidates registered for these posts. Panel of selected candidates has been approved for 56,378 candidates out of 64,371 vacancies. Appointment letter has been issued to 40,420 candidates. Training of newly recruited 19,120 candidates, which includes 10,120 assistant loco pilots, that is ALPs, and 8,997 technicians. It will resume as soon as COVID lockdown related measures ease out. Training process take 17 weeks for ALP and 6 months for technicians. Joining letters were issued to candidates before lockdown, but some candidates could not join due to corona outbreak and prevailing lockdown. All newly recruited employees will be given appointment in railways as per the due procedure in phased manner. The training of fresh appointees is required because railway is an operational department and safety of train operation is of paramount. Training includes classroom training followed by field training, followed by testing of the competence before deployment on working post. Since training is given batch-wise, considering the capacity constraints of classrooms, hostels, library, structures, etc. It has to be done in a phased manner by optimum utilization of training resources. Due to corona outbreak, all form of training has been suspended to follow the social distancing norms, and in order to limit pandemic, training will resume as and when the situation permits. This recruitment exercise was a three-stage process. RRBs were entrusted the responsibility for medical examination of all posts earlier conducted by zonal railways. Accordingly, document verification and medical examination is started from 16 June 2019 till 20th August for about 90,000 candidates. As already mentioned that the medical examination is one of the stringent in the industry, as there is no margin of error available to loco pilot driving a train. Panel supplied to zonal railways from September 2019 to February 2020. A CBT was common to both ALP and technicians. The technicians' result was declared later for those who could not qualify for ALP in computer-based training aptitude test. Besides the recruitment of ALPs and technicians, Railway Recruitment Board also invited online application for a total of 35,208 combined vacancies of non-technical popular category. A total of 1,26,30,885, that is more than 1.25 crore online applications were received. Examination process preparation was at a advanced stage during pre-COVID scenario. However, it was interrupted by outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. Indian Railway is going to expedite the recruitment process as and when the situation ease out. In the present circumstances, the new kind of challenges need to be surmounted which were previously unexpected due to COVID lockdown. These challenges are like candidates may have to wear face mask, which again pose challenges of tackling impersonation, mass gathering at exam centers may occur, sanitization of exam center after each shift, number of candidates to be booked in the exam center may have to be cut down to enable more social distance between two candidates while enforcing the norms required for fair and smooth conduct of examination of this magnitude. Indian Railways is formulating a viable strategy to conduct massive examination of 1.25 crore applicants and scheduling of all processes etc. while observing all norms in COVID-19 scenario. RRBs follow the practice of direct and instantaneous communication with candidates through regular update on websites and individual SMSs and emails whenever required. Candidates are appealed to refer to these official communications only and not be misguided by false propaganda and rumors being circulated on social media, many of which are aimed at misleading the genuine candidates and adversely affecting their preparation for examination.
लिए।
अच्छा वो ले रहे हैं, वो ले रहे हैं।
किस पैसे ले लिए?
Então,